Miss Price, just use that podium there. You're still on the road, okay? Did you talk to anybody before you testified here today about what you would be testifying to?
Did I talk to anybody? No, because I didn't know what I was supposed to be testifying.
Did you watch any coverage of this trial?
No, I did not.
I have to open it up to the lawyers to question you, to
Okay.
see if any witness, including you, has been talking to each other, because that's not allowed. Once the rule of sequestration has been invoked, witnesses are not supposed to talk to each other about the case. For obvious reasons, they can't match up their stories, right, or their testimony. They also can't know what other witnesses testified to, because that would affect their testimony. That sort of makes sense, right?
Yes, it does.
So let me see if the lawyers have any questions for you.
David,
Yeah, you guys, you can go first.
Ms. Perez, how did you get here?
I came by car.
Who did you drive with?
I drove with my daughter Crystal.
Did you and Crystal discuss the case, your testimony on the way over here?
No, I just got here at 5 o'clock. I got to her house at 5, and then my sister is the one who brought me from the airport to here. And then I went to sleep for a while, and then we were on our way.
Were you watching the YouTube channel that records the entire trial?
No, actually, I don't live here. I'm with the kids, so I'm not gonna put the YouTube.
Are you aware of Ms. Laredo watching the YouTube channels that captured the entire trial? since it
No, I
started?
don't know. I just got here today.
5-10 minutes ago, when you were excused from your testimony, were you and Crystal and your other family members watching this trial actively on YouTube and laughing out loud?
No, I told her I got put out, and I don't know what's going on. That's what I told her. So I don't know what's going on. They told me to leave.
What were they doing?
I don't know.
You don't know what they were doing?
No, they were sitting there.
On their phone?
Yeah, I think so.
So you couldn't hear anything?
No. Ma'am, I just approached them and told them, they asked me, why are we out here again? I said, I don't know what's going on, why? She goes, oh, they were laughing. They said, oh, you probably said something, or you just kept running on, and then, Mr. Tomas told me to go sit on the other side.
They didn't ask you about your testimony?
No. They didn't, no.
You know you're under oath, correct, Ms. Perez?
Yes, sir. He should know, he was standing out there right by me. And I told my granddaughter, look, go outside.
And was PJ in the middle of them?
I don't think so.
Where was PJ?
He was sitting with them outside.
So when I asked if PJ was in the
He's
middle-
supposed to, he's only 11. Do you want him to sit by himself?
So Ms. Perez, when I asked you if PJ was in the middle of all of that, you said no.
In the middle of all of what?
Was he with them when this was going on?
When they asked me why I got put out?
When they asked you why you got put out, when they were on their phones, when they were outside?
I don't, ma'am, I don't know what they were looking at on their phone, first of all. What he saw or heard, I don't know. I just walked right out the door, and Mr. Tomas came a few minutes later and says, you're not supposed to be sitting together or else they're gonna think you're talking. I didn't talk to anybody. I just walked up to them and said, I don't know, I got put out right now. I don't know what's going on.
Ms. Perez, what's in your hand?
Oh, my cell phone.
No, what paperwork is in your hand?
I don't know. Am I supposed to have this?
Ms. Perez, what paperwork is in your hand?
My testimony, my deposition,
Ms.
right?
Perez, who gave you your deposition in the middle of your testimony that you are live testifying?
Yeah, I didn't have this. I just came in with it right now.
Judge, who gave it to you? Who gave it to you, Ms. Perez?
Aren't I supposed to have this?
Ms. Perez, who gave you
No.
your deposition?
Hold on, we're not gonna get back and forth.
I don't know what's going on. Am I not supposed to have this?
You can have it. Where did you get it?
I thought I got it from the attorney.
Judge, she thought she got it? Judge, she's not,
Wait a
hold on,
minute.
I'm done with your question.
Judge, Ms. Price,
What?
about 10 minutes ago, you finished up with your testimony. Who handed you that document?
I didn't, I've had this in my hand, but
While you were testifying?
no, I had it was outside.
Right. Who handed it to you while that house?
I don't remember. And I'm being honest with you.
Right, I can tell you that I watched it.
Okay. Yeah, I thought you were watching for something, but I didn't know what it was.
Like Lynn gave,
Oh, did you? Okay,
and like Lynn was sitting right next to Ethan.
okay.
Remember that?
Yeah, I don't know.
And then you
Yeah.
were actively looking at a computer with a live feed of the YouTube feed from long.
I was?
Yes.
No, I was not. I just walked out the door. How is it that I watched a live feed when I just walked out the door?
You walked up to Lynn,
Mm-hmm.
she handed that to you, and there was a live YouTube feed from long time. Do you remember that?
No, I don't. And you know what? I'm gonna say something. That is the truth and the God's honest truth. I just approached them. They asked me what was wrong. And you know what? I am so exhausted with you, sir. I got here at 5 in the morning. I didn't hold a conversation with no one. I passed out when I got to my daughter's house. Then, if somebody even handed me this right now, I wasn't even paying attention to that. And now you're accusing me of watching a live feed? You think that I would allow that little boy to watch a live feed? That's insanity what you're saying right here now. I would never do that.
You're not gonna get that. Do you know why you're not gonna get that? Because you have some later reason to do it. Do you understand? We don't go from 0 to 10 like this.
Judge, I would ask that this witness be excused before we make.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we give the other side an opportunity before we start making requests in front of the witness?
I wasn't making a request, I just asked.
Mr. Marina made the request, right? Why don't we just measure our words and our requests? Mr. Tomas, do you want to hear from Ms. Perez?
Briefly, Judge, Ms. Perez, earlier today, when I first saw you, I gave you a copy of your deposition. I asked you to look through, right?
Right,
That was well before you testified.
right.
Have you looked at any of that since you began testifying?
No, actually, I've been walking around getting my hands, sir. I